Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have two new unboxings. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we have two unboxings, very exciting. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So yes, I'm very excited. I have two new unboxings for you today. One is from Loewe and then the other one is from Hermes. Actually, you can't tell because I don't know why they didn't send me a box. They just sent me this white box, which is kind of sad, but yeah, the other one is from Hermes. But yeah, I wanted to unbox both of these with you today. I'm so excited. This, the Hermes item is going to be, actually both of these are brand new to me items. I've never had any other item like this before. It's like a different category of items. So let's start off with the Hermes box. I don't know why they didn't give me an Hermes box. Like, that's kind of weird. And even the FedEx guy that delivered this to my house didn't even knock on the door or ring the doorbell or anything. Like, it was a horrible just experience altogether, I feel like, because I have a Ring camera on my door, and I saw, like, I got the notification that, you know, there was motion outside, but then I saw him walk up to the door and just walk away. And then I ran down and I'm just like, hello, you did not ring the doorbell. He was like, yeah, but I knocked. And I'm like, no, you didn't. I literally watched you. Anyways, here is the box right here. So it does say Hermes. This has got to be the worst Hermes experience that I have literally ever had in my life. So it did not have any kind of wrapping, any kind of anything. Here is the thing. This is what it came in, and it's all beat up. Are you joking? Like, I can't, like, I wanted to save this and like use it later and like display it, but of course not. It's all beat up and wrinkled. They didn't put any kind of protection in there with it. Of course they gave me the receipt. This unboxing is not starting off as well as I would have hoped it to. But as you can see from this little beat up package, I did get my first Hermes Twilly. I was looking for one for my Lady Dior actually. I don't have any Hermes bags, but I wanted to find something for my Lady Dior, and I hope that this will work for her. But let's just, like, it's really cute, and like oh, it is cute. So I wanted to get something like green because it's my Lady Dior is like a pinky kind of blush color. So I wanted to get something green. Look how pretty. Because pink goes good with green. Oh, this is cute. It's this one right here. This is really cute, and I think this is gonna go really well with my Lady Dior. I will tie this on later on in the video. I don't know how to tie it on. So I'm gonna have to like do some research or like watch a video on how to tie it on. But this is so cute. Look at this. They have this particular one, I believe, in a couple of different colors. I like it so much, and I love the color. I love the green. I love mint green, so I was very partial to this. I think it's adorable. The Hermes Twilly was like 200 bucks, so I think it was like 209 or, oh, it was 219 with shipping, or no shipping, but with the taxes and everything, it was 219 USD for the cute little Twilly. So I'm gonna watch a YouTube video to see how to tie a Twilly onto a Lady Dior. Oh, okay, I found a video. I'm gonna go watch this really quick, and then let me go grab my Lady Dior. I've got it right here, and then I'm going to quickly watch this video, and then I will come right back.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I'm back. That was probably one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. It took me probably 35 minutes to get this on, and I'm not even sure if it looks that great. What do you think? Do we like the Twilly? Do we like it against the pink of the bag? I know it's kind of like, it does stand out a little bit, but like I didn't want to put anything like gray, or like it's already a pink bag, so I just thought that green would like blue green would kind of look good with it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm not 100% sure if I like it. I do kind of, but like I don't know, maybe if somebody else put it on for me, like someone that like knows how to put these on, I would like it more. Maybe it's a little too girly for my taste. I am feminine, I think, but I'm not sure if I'm this feminine because it's very girly. So let me know in the comments what you think. Do we like, do we not like? Should I keep it? Should I return it? I have no idea, but you just let me know. But it's on there right now. And then moving on to the second little box. Again, this is from Loewe, and if we open it like this. Now I have already opened this one. This one is not a blind unboxing. The Hermes one was a blind unboxing, but this one I have already opened. I've already seen this piece, but I really wanted to show it to you guys. So open it like this. As you can see, it's not a bag or anything like that. And in here we have the receipt, security sticker. I did not know. Oh, do they have like stickers? Probably not. This is just the receipt on like how to return. I do not plan on returning this item because I've already taken the tags off because I just love it already. And then here it is. I really hope I didn't like super wrinkle it. I might have, but you guys, this is the Loewe tank top. I got this in black. I really wanted to get it in white, but they were out of stock of the white one. So I was like, hey, you know what? Let me just get the black one. I wear a lot of dark colors anyways, so let me get the black one too, and I think it would look just as good. So here is what it looks like. I have already worn this and washed it, so that's why if you can see that's got like little hairs on it, that's why I've already worn this, and I'd put it back in the box so I could unbox it for you all. But yeah, I love this tank top. This tank top is pretty expensive. It is $350 for a tank top, so I understand if that's not your vibe, but I love this tank top. It's very viral right now. It is a pretty trendy tank top. I'm not sure how long they are going to like stay this trendy, but I do actually think this is a really, really nice basic. I got mine in a size small, and actually I sold my other Loewe tank top. I had like the cropped version of this, and it has like the mesh on the back. I sold that one because it was too small. I also got it in a size small, but it's like a tighter type of tank top. This one's more of like a loosey. I mean, the size small fits me just fine. Like, I think a size small is great for me, but the other one was really, really tight, and it was way too cropped. Like, it was cropped more than I thought it would be. And I used to wear a lot of crop tops, like a lot more crop tops, but I'm just not like that anymore. I don't like to wear too many crop tops nowadays. I typically wear like longer shirts or sweaters and stuff. So I did sell that one and put the money towards this. So I got a pretty good discount on this when I, put the money towards it. That's one of the reasons why I went ahead and picked this one up, and I love, love, love this one. I've been wearing it so often just because it is such a good basic. You can wear just like a light jacket over this. You can wear a cardigan over this. You can literally wear anything over this and it would just look really nice. It is 100% cotton, I do believe, which again, $350 for a 100% cotton tank top. You're paying for the brand, like 100%. You're paying just for the Loewe logo on the front, and it is a white logo there. But yeah, that's it. I really, really like this tank top. I will show like a picture of me wearing it, or like I'll film a little part of me wearing it just so you can see what it looks like. It's a great little tank top. I like it a lot. I could wear like this tank top, some jeans, and like this bag. It would look so cute. But Anyways, you guys, that has been my double unboxing. I really hope that you did enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what you think of both of my items that I unboxed today. Are you looking at either one of these items? Have you ever owned a Twilly before? Are you wanting to get a Twilly at some point in the future? Have you owned the Loewe tank top, or do you want to get that in the future too? Or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again so much for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!